This tropical paradise is bestowed with the perfect conditions for ginger growth, allowing it to flourish and develop its numerous medicinal properties. The roots and leaves of this aromatic herb have been used for centuries to promote health and well-being. One of the most well-known benefits of Dominica ginger is its ability to alleviate various digestive issues. Ginger root can help reduce nausea, relieve indigestion, and even decrease inflammation in the gut. Its active compounds, gingerols and shogaols, stimulate the production of digestive juices and enzymes, aiding in the breakdown and absorption of food. Furthermore, ginger has been found to ease motion sickness and morning sickness, making it a popular remedy for pregnant women. Additionally, the medicinal properties of ginger extend beyond gastrointestinal health. It possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. By reducing inflammation, ginger may also positively impact cardiovascular health, as inflammation is often associated with heart disease. Furthermore, researchers have found ginger to have potential anti-cancer properties, inhibiting the growth and spread of certain cancer cells. While ginger offers a plethora of benefits, it is essential to be aware of its potential side effects. Excessive consumption of ginger may lead to mild digestive discomfort, such as heartburn or diarrhea. Some individuals may also experience allergic reactions, characterized by a rash or difficulty breathing. Additionally, ginger can act as a blood thinner, so individuals taking blood-thinning medications should exercise caution and consult their healthcare provider before incorporating ginger into their diet. Despite its numerous benefits, ginger may not be suitable for everyone. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as gallstones or ulcers, should avoid ginger as it may exacerbate their symptoms. Furthermore, ginger can potentially interact with certain medications, including anticoagulants, antidiabetic drugs, and antihypertensive medications. Thus, it is crucial for individuals on medication to consult with their healthcare provider before incorporating ginger into their regimen. In conclusion, Dominica ginger is a powerful herb with a wide range of beneficial properties. From easing digestive issues to reducing inflammation, ginger has been utilized for its medicinal qualities for centuries. However, it is important to be mindful of potential side effects, such as digestive discomfort and allergic reactions. Additionally, individuals with specific medical conditions or taking certain medications should exercise caution and consult with their healthcare provider before adding ginger to their routine. Overall, harnessing the power of Dominica ginger can be a valuable addition to one's health journey when used wisely and in moderation. Thanks for watching. Dominica ginger is good for its benefits and side effects, and who should not use ginger. If you find value here, please like and subscribe. This material is offered for educational and general informational purposes only. No health advice is offered.